This is the strategy that we've been using to make money like this, even like this. All right, me and my student have been using this strategy now to trade NASDAQ. All right, so guys, after watching this video, you won't be confused trading NASDAQ anymore. You won't find it difficult to trade NASDAQ anymore. All right, without further ado, guys, let's go. So right now, before I analyze NASDAQ, before you analyze NASDAQ, you have to start from the higher time frame. All right, me as a day trader now, if I want to analyze NASDAQ, I'll be starting from the higher time frame, a time frame like the weekly time frame. All right, so as you can see now, what is the current trend of the market? As you can see, the market is on a bullish move just like this, giving us a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Then we have a high. Right now we have a low. The market refused to give us another higher highs here, so we have a change of structure at this level, which give us a support level at this level. Right, so right now, after that support level, the market broke our structure, pull back to retest, give us a lower lows here and a lower highs, lower lows, and we should have a lower highs here. But right now, as you can see, the NASDAQ market now from the daily time frame, the NASDAQ is heading to the upside, which is telling us that we will only be looking to buy NASDAQ right now. We will only be looking to buy NASDAQ right now. So guys, let me start analyzing. Let me show you guys how I do top-down analysis on NASDAQ and how I analyze NASDAQ. All right. So right now, guys, first of all, we'll have a support zone here. And whenever you want to analyze NASDAQ, make sure you start from the recent level, right? Make sure you start from the where the market is right now, which is you should be paying attention to what the market is doing right now and not what market has done for decade right now. So right now, that is a daily support. And right now, what we can see here, we have a daily resistance around this level. Now let's mark up our key levels. What we do on this strategy is to mark up our key levels from the higher time frame, the daily time frame, all the way to the 4-hour time frame, to the 1-hour time frame, even to our entry time frame. All right, that is what we do, you understand, whenever we are marking our key levels. So right now, guys, why did I put this key level here? We have a support zone. We have a support zone. As you can see here, what we are having here is the head and shoulder. Right, first shoulder, head here, second shoulder, then boom, the market give us a change of structure. Right now, the market gave us a support. The market broke our support. Now, as we can see, price broke our support there, pull back, turn our support into a resistance. Then we have a lower lows and a lower highs. Right now, the market came all the way down, and right now, what we are seeing, the market is still heading to the upside. So right now, these are the key levels on the daily time frame. Let's head down to our 4-hour time frame right now. So right now, as you guys can see, this is our 4-hour time frame on the NASDAQ market. All right, what do we do on the 4-hour time frame? We have to mark up our key levels, all right, to know the direction of the market, to know where the market is heading to. Right now, we've known the direction of the market from the higher time frame already. All we just have to do is to start plotting our key levels. All right, what is the key level? This key level I'm talking about is the support and resistance. And we're talking about support and resistance here, right? So as you can see, that is another 4-hour key level there. That's the H4 key level there. So let's look for more key level, guys. Let's look for more key level. Let's shrink to this level, extend to this level. As you guys can see here, this is a resistance zone. It was a resistance broken, turned into a support around that level. So that's the key level. Let's see how it plays at this recent market. As you can see, that is where the market is right now. This is where the market is right now, right? Telling us that the NASDAQ market will be heading to the upside. What should we be doing? We should only be looking to buy NASDAQ. Whenever the market is on a bullish move, we should be looking to buy NASDAQ. And whenever the market is on a bearish move, we should be looking to sell NASDAQ, all right? From this level, I'll be looking to buy NASDAQ. I won't be selling NASDAQ right now. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame, which is the POI time frame. Point of interest is the level where you want market to pull back to. Then you can look for your buying or selling opportunity, all right? So that is what we call the POI. So as you guys can see, this is another key level just like this. Take a look at this level. This was a key level, all right? So what do we have here? First of all, we have a resistance, and now the market broke it, all right? All the way to this level, right? Price broke it. So right now, as you guys can see, what should we expect from this trade right now? This is the 1-hour time frame. The only way and the only thing I will be looking for NASDAQ is for the market to break, pull back to retest, then I'll buy to this level. When the market breaks this level, pull back to retest, I'll buy like this. You understand? This is what I'll be expecting on NASDAQ. But I've been telling you guys, as a trader, you just need to think probability. What if this thing we are talking about did not happen and the market should fall from that level, right? What if the market should drop from that level? Then we should be looking for a selling opportunity. As you guys can see here, we have another support zone here. This is a support zone. All right, as you can see, it was a double bottom neckline break and a retest around that level. So right now, the only way I'll be looking to sell NASDAQ is when NASDAQ drop from this level, pull back to retest like this, then I'll be looking to sell NASDAQ, all right? So guys, this is the best way to analyze NASDAQ. This is the best trading strategy to analyze, trade NASDAQ. So right now, before we continue, guys, I would like to introduce you guys to the Profit Tan. What is Profit Tan? It's an exclusive trading signal rooms. So for long now, I've been receiving requests for me to offer trading signals, and I've heard back for some reasons, all right? There are reasons why I refuse to offer signal. So now, guys, I want to announce the launch of Profit Tan, a premium channel brought to you by the New York Session Academy, which is our trading academy. This exclusive channel offers a high quality trading signal, help you maximize your trading potential. And like the name says, it's all profit. It's all about profit. You understand? As you'll be taking the same trade I will be taking, any trade I take to make money, you will be taking it if you join the signal room. All right. So by subscribing to this Profit Tan, you will gain access to many things here. There are many benefits to it. You will gain access to my exclusive trading signals. Focus on my personal trading pairs. You all know I trade in NASDAQ, USDT, and gold. That is the three instrument I trade, all right? Now, then we still have a timely and accurate entries with trading emails to help you ahead in the market. So listen, guys, many people, whenever they want to give signals, they will give you numbers alone, which is where you should be buying from, where you should be selling for. That is what they will give to you, all right? Now, but you are not seeing where you should adjust your stop loss, when you should put your take profit. You understand? Either you should exit at this level. That is the reason why sometimes when you see some people, when you hop out sometime, when the trade take you out, some of them that, which is the signal managers, will still be in the profit. You understand? So in our own premium signal room, we will let you know when to hop out, when to hop in, when we are hopping out, and everything. We are also giving you the entry confirmations. Then you will identify the candlesticks that we do take trade with. You understand? So that is it, guys. So guys, if you want me to mentor, you can click on the link in the description box to send me a private message on Telegram. That is the only way you can access the Profit Tan. We have the monthly plans, which is $50. We have the bi-weekly, which is 2 weeks, and it is $30. All right. To join the opportunity, send me a private message on Telegram using the description box, all right, to send me a private message on Telegram. And please do not go search me on Telegram. Click on the link in the description box and send me a direct message on Telegram. It will direct you to the Telegram. There are a lot of scammers, all right? Click on the link of this video, then you can send me a Telegram. So guys, if you like this video, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to share, then turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. And do not hesitate, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.